Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to start a new chapter, sphere, from the mensuration. Okay, so here sphere is a 3D diagram. So if you draw a sphere in a paper, so it will be the center of that sphere, and here this is the radius of that sphere. So I denote here r as the radius of that sphere. Now here d means diameter, so diameter of the sphere, that equal to 2 into radius. Now next thing is you have to find out the surface area of the sphere. So here the formula, surface area of the sphere, that equal to 4 pi r square unit square. Here pi means 22/7. And the next thing is you have to find out the volume. So here the formula of volume is 4/3 pi r cube unit cube. Okay, where r is the radius. Now here sum number 1. So here find the surface area and volume of a sphere of radius 14 centimeter. So here r equal to 14 centimeter, then surface area, the formula will be 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22/7 into 14 into 14, and from that you will get 2964 centimeter square. Now next volume equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So that equal to, after calculation you will get 11498 whole 2/3 centimeter cube. That is the answer. Now next one, find the surface area and volume of a sphere whose diameter is 21 centimeter. So here diameter equal to 21 meter. So if diameter equal to 21 meter, then radius equal to half of 21, so that equal to 21/2. Now you have to find out the surface area and volume. So I hope you can apply the formula of surface area and also the volume to find out the answer. Now next one, sum number 3. In sum number 3, a shot put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9. So here radius equal to 4.9 centimeter, which is given if the density of a metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. That is the density. Now we have to first find out the volume. Okay, so as radius equal to 4.9 centimeter, then volume equal to 4/3 into pi into r cube. So that equal to 493 centimeter cube. Now as here the density of 1 centimeter cube, here the density of 1 centimeter cube equal to 7.8 gram, then total mass of 493 centimeter cube equal to 493 into 7.8, and that equal to 3845.4 gram. Okay, so that means 3.8454 kg, and that equal to 3.85 kg approximate. Now next, sum number 4. In sum number 4, find the diameter of a sphere whose surface area equal to 154. So here surface area equal to 154 centimeter square. So let r be the radius of that sphere. Now you know the formula of surface area, that equal to 4 pi r square. So according to the problem, 4 pi r square equal to 154, and from that r square equal to 49/4. So as r square equal to 49/4, then r equal to 7/2. Okay, then you have to find out the diameter. So diameter equal to 7/2 into 2, and that equal to 7 centimeter. Now next one, sum number 5. In sum number 5, find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 21. So suppose this is a hemisphere. Okay, this is a hemisphere. Here radius equal to 21. So first the curved surface area will be 4 pi r square by 2. Okay, as the surface area of a total sphere, that equal to 4 pi r square, and here is the curved surface area of a hemisphere, that means the surface area will be half. So 4 pi r square by 2, that equal to 2 pi r square. Now put down the value of r and you will get 2772 centimeter square is the curved surface area. Now next thing is you have to find out total surface area. So in a hemisphere, this is the curved surface area and this is the plane surface area. The upper plane surface area is a circle. Okay, so you know the area, the formula of area of a circle, that equal to pi r square, and here the curved surface area equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that equal to total surface area, so that equal to 3 pi r square. Now put down the value of r and you will get 4158 centimeter square as the total surface area. Sum number 6. In sum number 6, a hemispherical brass bowl has inner diameter 10.5 meter. So here diameter equal to 10.5 meter, then radius equal to 10.5 by 2, and that equal to 5.25 centimeter. Now find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. That means first you have to find out the inner curved surface area. Okay, so here the formula of inner curved surface area, that equal to 2 pi r square, as it's a hemisphere, that's why 2 pi r square. So now put down the value of r, that is 5.25, and then 173.25 is the inner curved surface area. Now here rupees 16 is for 100 centimeter square, then 1 centimeter square cost for 16 by 100. Okay, cost of 1 centimeter square, that equal to 16 by 100, and you have to find out cost of 173.25 centimeter square. So that equal to 16 by 100 into 173.25, and that equal to rupees 27.72 is the answer. Number 7. In sum number 7, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is pumped into it. So here the old radius is 7 centimeter, and after pumped air into it, so it will be, now the new radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter is the previous radius and 14 centimeter is the new radius. So with the basis of 7 centimeter, the old surface area will be 4 pi 7 square, and that becomes 616 centimeter square, and the with the basis of new surface area, so new radius, that equal to 4 pi 14 square, and that equal to 2464 centimeter square. Now you have to find out the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So here the ratio will be, this is the previous surface area, this is the new surface area. So find out the ratio, and that will be 1:4. In sum number 8, a sphere and a cube have the same surface, so that the ratio of the volume of a sphere to that of the cube is √6:√pi. So first here edge of a cube or side of a cube equal to a, let. So that means surface area of that cube equal to 6a square, and volume of that cube equal to a cube. Now as in the question said that surface area of the sphere which is equal to the cube, that means the surface area of the sphere will be also 6a square. Now as you know that the formula of surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square, and that equal to 6a square is given. So from that r equal to √6a square by 4 pi. So here the radius is 3 by 2 pi √a. So now you have to find out the volume of that sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, here the value of r, and from that you will get 2√3a cube by √2 unit cube. So that is the volume of the cube, and that is the volume of the sphere. Now you have to find out the ratio of their volumes. So here the answer as 2√3a cube by √2 is to a cube. So √2 cancel out with 2, and it becomes √2. Now √2 into √3. So √2 into √3, a q cancel out. So here 1 by √pi as denominator. So here √pi. Now √2 into √3 equal to √6, and is to √pi. Sum number 9. In sum number 9, if the ratio of the two radii of two sphere is 3:7. So here 3x is the first radius and 7x is the second radius of two separate sphere. So first find out the ratio of their volumes. So as 3x is the 3x as the radius, so 4 by 3 pi 3x whole cube is the volume of the first sphere, and the next one 4 by 3 pi 7x whole to the power cube is the volume of the second sphere. So here 27x cube is to 343x cube, and that equal to 27 is to 343 is the ratio of their volumes. Now next you have to find out the ratio of their surface area. So here you can apply the formula of surface area and then find out. Here the answer will be 9:49. Now in sum number 9b, if the ratio of their volumes of two sphere is given, it's 125:64, then find the ratio of their surface area. So suppose the radius of the first sphere equal to r1 and the radius of second sphere equal to r2. So here volume 1 divided by volume 2, that means the ratio of two volumes, and that equal to 125 by 64. So now put down the formula of their volumes. So 4 by 3 cancel out, pi cancel out. So here r1 cube by r2 cube equal to 125/64. Now r1 by r2 equal to cube root of 125 by 64, and it becomes 5/4. Now next thing is you have to find out the ratio of their surface area. So here the surface area formula will be 4 pi r1 square is to 4 pi r2 square. So from that 4 pi cancel out. So here r1 square is to r2 square. That means you can write in this way r1 by r2 whole square. Okay. Now as you know the value of r1 by r2 equal to 5/4. So written here 5/4 whole square. So 5 square means 25 and 4 square means 16. So that means r1 is to r2 that equal to 25 is to 16 is the final answer. Now sum number 10 and sum number 11 are similar kind of problem. So I hope you can solve this problem, and I also hope that you like our video. So please share this video with your friends, and please like and subscribe us. Okay, so here sum number 12. In sum number 12, a hemispherical bowl has the radius 3.5 centimeter. It's given. So now what would be the volume of water it would contain? That means you have to find out the volume of that hemispherical bowl. Okay, so as the volume of a whole sphere that equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and here you have to find out the volume of a hemispherical bowl, that means the volume will be half. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube half by 2, that means 2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a hemispherical bowl. Now put down the value of r and you will get the answer 89 whole 5/6 centimeter cube. Now here the last problem from that exercise, sum number 13. The surface area of a solid sphere is 1256. 1256 is the surface area of a solid sphere. It is cut into two hemispheres. Okay, then find the total surface area and the volume of a hemisphere. So here 1256 is the surface area of a solid hemisphere. Now after you cut down into two hemisphere, then each surface area of a single hemisphere that equal to 6 to 8 centimeter square. So here according to the problem 4 pi r square, which is the formula of surface area of a sphere, that equal to 1256, it's given. So 4 pi r square equal to 1256, where r is the radius of that sphere. So here r equal to 10 centimeter. Now as r equal to 10 centimeter, next thing is you have to find out total surface area, and you know the formula of total surface area of a hemisphere that equal to 3 pi r square, and from that 942 centimeter square is the answer of total surface area. Now the last thing you have to find out the volume of a hemisphere. So here the volume of hemisphere formula will be 2 by 3 pi r cube, and that equal to 2 by 3 into 3140, and from that 20931 by 3 centimeter cube is the answer.